एक बार एक मित्र ने मुझसे पूछा कि ध्यान को एक पंक्ति में परिभाषित करना हो तो कैसे कह सकते हो कि ध्यान क्यों करो? मैंने कहा बहुत सरल है, जीवन की गुणवत्ता को बढ़ाने के लिए ध्यान है। Why I do meditation? To enhance the quality of life. If I can't enhance the quality of life, there's no use of this meditation. All the meditations are just for the transformation. If the transformation is not there, there's no use of doing this all meditation. In the books or from the discourses, we just heard that we are the soul, we are the consciousness, we are part of this existence, we are the existence. What we are going to just experience in these coming days, that I am the godliness. This is the experience of the enlightenment. But how you can get the enlightenment? How you can experience it? First of all, just watch yourself without defining where I am. No definition needed. Right, wrong, good, bad, positive, negative. Don't bother about this. Only just experience yourself, first of all, where you are standing. No problem, I have all the things in me. How it matters? Because I'm trying for the transformation and it will happen. But at least you should not have any kind of illusion that you are the enlightened one. You have got everything. You have got all the experiences. You are a big meditator. You are doing meditation. You are here for 10 days, 6 days, 12 days. How it matters? This going to be here is just a practice of the divine life. Because I want to practice the life which is full of awareness, full of love. One day one of my friends asked me why I do meditation in the ashram. There are online programs, keep on happening. That is enough for me. I said, no. That is enough, but not. That is 100% what you have to do. Once you just be in the ashram for a few days, that's the practice of the living. The practice of the divine life. Because here, so many things. This is a small world. Because we all are carrying our minds. This is a small world. But the plus point is, all of us in this world wants to transform. All of us have the minds, but we want to be aware. So consistently, for days you are here, you have to live this kind of life. Then, once you're back, you can perform in the world with your friends at the place where you work. And definitely, the day one and the last day of here should not be the same. You should feel confidence in you that something has changed. You have enhanced your life. बिना जीवन की गुणवत्ता बढ़ाए, ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ समय का, धन का, इन सब चीजों का सिर्फ और सिर्फ सिवाय वेस्ट करने के कुछ नहीं है. लेकिन जब आप रूपांतरण में कदम रखते हैं, सब कुछ सार्थक हो जाता है. आपका यहां होना, आपका एक एक पल यहां जीना, यहां एक एनर्जी है, एक ऊर्जा है. यह सदगुरु का सानिध्य है जो हमें मोटिवेट करता है, प्रेरणा देता है उस तरह के जीवन जीने के लिए. यहां होना हमारा मन हमें सहयोग करता है कि मैं इस तरह के जीवन को जी कर देखूं, ताकि मेरे जीवन में वही सब कुछ आ जाए. प्यारे मित्रों, बस हंसते खेलते जीना, गंभीर होने की आवश्यकता नहीं, लेकिन जाग जाना, प्रेमल हो जाना. शिकायत के विचार भीतर आए तो उसको पोषित मत करना. अहंकार का विचार आए तो उसे पोषित मत करना. बस ऐसे जागे रहना. और फिर जो शत्रु के भीतर अनुभव कराते हैं, उस अनुभवों में डूबना और अनुभव से बाहर निकलकर उसी तरह से नथिंगनेस से शून्यता को लेकर जीना. इसीलिए गैप्स भी है बीच में. लंच का, ब्रेकफास्ट का, डिनर का गैप, so that you can just live like this. What you experience in the sessions of the nothingness, of the thoughtlessness, the blissfulness, the lovingness, that is the practice. Very easy to say that we love Osho, but very difficult to just live like this, how he teaches us. The real love is not full of ego, that I am the disciple of the master Osho. That's just a statement of the ego if you are not transforming yourself. But if you are transforming yourself, you don't have to need to say this. Everything will come out from you automatically. The way you talk, the way you walk, the way your behavior, the way your presence, which is full of love. So don't look for the experience that I am the godliness. Live like this, that you are living like a godliness. And this is a big difference. So many disciples are fallen from the experiences because they just experience it and then throw on that experience. They are not make the part of the experience in the way-to-day living, day-to-day living. Experience and live it. Experience and relive it. Experience and live it. This is the only way to transform, and this is the only way to be enlightened. Even the enlightenment experience is just for nothing if you are not having it, that experience, the way of living. A small experience of the nothingness is enough. A small experience of thoughtlessness is enough. A small glimpse of the bliss is enough for your life. If you start living like that. So my dear friends, I request you, time is very important. And every moment is very important. And it is going on. It is slipping from our hands. Just take care of that moments. एक एक क्षण, एक एक पल जो इतना कीमती है जीवन का, जो बस फिसलता जा रहा है हाथों से, इसको इतना सुंदर ढंग से जियो, इतने सुंदर ढंग से जियो कि बार बार जीने की इच्छा हो,